Buying the wrong vacuum cleaner can leave you with weak suction, short battery life, or a machine that simply doesn't fit your home. Before you spend your money, here are 5 vacuum cleaners worth considering and what makes each one stand out. Number 5. Shark Power Detect Pet Plus. The Shark Power Detect Pet Plus is designed for homes where pet hair is a daily challenge. Equipped with intelligent cleaning technology, it automatically adjusts suction based on different floor types, helping maintain strong performance whether you're cleaning carpets, rugs, or hard floors. The powerful brush system also works well at lifting embedded hair and debris, making everyday cleaning faster and more efficient. Beyond raw suction power, this vacuum focuses on convenience. Its maneuverable design makes it easy to clean around furniture, while the larger dust cup reduces the need for frequent emptying during whole house cleaning. If you have multiple pets or constantly battle fur around your home, the Shark Power Detect Pet Plus offers a dependable balance of performance, smart features, and everyday usability. Number 4. SMOTURE Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. The SMOTURE Cordless Vacuum Cleaner is an appealing option for anyone who wants the freedom of cordless cleaning without paying premium prices. Its lightweight design makes it comfortable to carry from room to room, while the rechargeable battery allows you to clean stairs, furniture, and tight spaces without dragging a power cord behind you. It's especially convenient for quick daily cleanups. What makes this vacuum attractive is its versatility. Multiple attachments allow it to handle floors, upholstery, and car interiors with ease, while the slim design stores neatly when not in use. Although it may not replace a heavy-duty corded vacuum for deep carpet cleaning, it performs impressively well for everyday maintenance. For apartments and medium-sized homes, it delivers a practical balance between portability and cleaning performance. Number 3. Miele Classic C1 Pure Suction. The Miele Classic C1 Pure Suction continues to earn praise for its exceptional build quality and dependable cleaning performance. Unlike many modern cordless models, this canister vacuum focuses on delivering consistent suction power that remains reliable throughout every cleaning session. It's particularly effective on hard floors, low-pile carpets, and delicate surfaces where precision cleaning matters. Another advantage is its quiet operation and durable construction, qualities that have helped Miele build a loyal following over the years. The lightweight canister follows smoothly behind you, and the adjustable suction settings make it suitable for different cleaning tasks around the home. If long-term reliability is more important than cordless convenience, the Classic C1 remains one of the strongest choices available. Number 2. Mova P10 Pro Ultra Robot Vacuum. The Mova P10 Pro Ultra brings automation into everyday cleaning by handling vacuuming with minimal effort from the user. Using intelligent navigation technology, it maps your home efficiently while avoiding common obstacles and cleaning multiple floor surfaces with impressive consistency. For busy households, it offers the convenience of maintaining cleaner floors even when nobody is home. Its smart controls make scheduling and customizing cleaning sessions simple through a connected app. Instead of manually vacuuming every day, users can let the robot handle routine maintenance while focusing on other tasks. Although no robot vacuum completely replaces deep cleaning, the P10 Pro Ultra dramatically reduces daily workload and helps keep floors looking consistently clean with very little effort. Number 1. BLACK+DECKER Dustbuster Fur Buster. The BLACK+DECKER Dustbuster Fur Buster proves that sometimes the best vacuum isn't the biggest one. Designed as a handheld cleaner, it's perfect for tackling pet hair, furniture, stairs, vehicles, and quick household messes without needing to pull out a full-sized vacuum. Its compact size makes it easy to grab whenever spills or fur appear unexpectedly. Despite its small footprint, the Dustbuster delivers surprisingly strong suction for spot cleaning and everyday touch-ups. The cordless design offers excellent flexibility, while specialized pet tools help remove stubborn hair from upholstery and fabric surfaces. For pet owners or anyone looking for a convenient secondary vacuum, It's one of the most practical cleaning tools you can keep around the house. The best vacuum cleaner depends on your home, your lifestyle, and the type of cleaning you do most often. If this guide helped narrow down your choices, be sure to like, subscribe, and check out our next home appliance roundup.